Welcome to Redline Review. Although the 2026 Lamborghini Aventador Motorhome might sound like something from a science fiction film, even the most extravagant fantasies can come true in the world of ultra-luxury conversions and high-end custom projects. Several concept artists and extreme custom builders have envisioned what a Lamborghini motorhome might look and feel like, despite the fact that the company has never actually constructed one. Summary: the concept of a Lamborghini Aventador RV is based on aggressive aerodynamics, striking appearance, and state-of-the-art interior technologies, which combine supercar performance with RV luxury. This is a rolling declaration of luxury and power, not your average RV. Conceptually speaking, performance. Engine: a 6.5-liter V12 engine with natural aspiration, similar to the classic Aventador, that produces about 770 horsepower. Acceleration: 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 5 seconds. Blistering for a mobile home. Drivetrain: all-wheel drive with adaptive suspension, which ensures stability even at high speeds or over long distances. Top speed: possibly limited to 180 kilometers per hour due to the motorhome's added weight and length, but still ridiculously fast for an RV. Interior design picture: a combination of private jet-level comfort and Italian supercar design. Fine leather accents, carbon fiber, and premium Alcantara. Compact kitchenette with fridge, espresso machine, and touch controls. Back cabin with a full lounge area, smart TV, mood lighting, and hidden bed panels. Two-seat cockpit up front with a digital dash modeled after the Aventador's race-style layout. Designer bathroom with curved glass shower and gold-tone fixtures. All tech features: 360-degree camera system with lidar-assisted parking, full AI-based control center for lighting, entertainment, and climate. Smart suspension that modifies ride height and stiffness according to road conditions. And a Lamborghini-branded interface with a holographic projection screen. Advantages include unrivaled road presence and design, amazing speed for an RV, fully customized inside for the elite, a collector's dream or hyper-luxury showcase. Cons: due to drastic alterations, it is not road legal in many countries. Maintenance expenses would be prohibitive. Practicality for daily RV use is almost non-existent. Most likely a one-off or concept vehicle, not for public sale. Conclusion: the 2026 Lamborghini Aventador Motorhome is a mobile work of art that demonstrates extraordinary riches and creativity, in addition to being a means of transportation. It is a wild exploration of what can be achieved when luxury, speed, and imagination come together, even though it is totally unrealistic for normal camping or RV excursions. If you want Lamborghini performance and top-notch comfort on wheels, this is the motorhome for you.